have a blessed morning to everyone. This is Neri, and this is the continuation of my journey here in my homeland. Now it's early in the morning, turning 5 o'clock. I always miss this place, the place where I was born. Now I enter the city. I entered the CU, my place, Barangay Palsabangon, Pagbilao, Quezon. Kaway-kaway kayo dyan! Okay, let's start to the new adventures again. Every day is another great day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to watch my next video.